welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys what I purchased. This one is the power wheel adapter for Dewalt 20-volt battery adapter. So if you have a regular lead acid battery that uses 12 volt for your Jeep or your Power Wheels toys, you want to purchase this conversion kit with a switch. Also come with a fuse and a 12 AWG wire, so you get more powerful for your Power Wheels. You could also use this kit for robotics and DIY RC cars and toys. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So I purchased this from Amazon for $9.99, free shipping plus tax. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys the product. And then the product is made in China. So as you know, the lead acid battery for the Power Wheels is getting pretty expensive. Oh, they even come with this connector. Cool. I purchased one for my buddy last time. It was like $90. So this lifts up. For a quick connection. They come with this two other sizes. 30 amp fuse. Actually, they come with 3 other fuses. Got 1, 2. Then the third one should be installed in here. There you go. So you need to slice the black and red wire, connect this to your battery terminal, and then after that you're gonna slide this your Dewalt battery in here, and then that's it. There's an on and off switch here. Pretty awesome. So by the way, I'm going to use this conversion kit for my portable vacuum. So it'd be easier for me to charge the battery and just slide in here. And then that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.